Kundalini and conscious breathing technique. Before teaching you any conscious breathing technique, I will teach you how to check in which energy channel Kundalini is flowing or your life force is flowing. If your life force is not flowing in a particular channel, this means that you will not be having the experience of living life in the best way. So the technique is, if you want to know and if you want to have progress in your Kundalini movement, in your circulation. Kundalini circulation means life force circulation in your energy channels. If the life force doesn't move in you, it means that you are not living life. When you get up in the morning and you feel that you are not having enough energy for the body, you are not having energy for the mind, and you are not having energy for the spirit, this means that there is something wrong with your energy channels and there is something wrong with the way you are functioning in life. This means that there may be extreme downloads of energy that has happened in you, and your body is filled with toxicity on all the levels. This means that your body is filled up with carbon dioxide on the physical level, and on the pranic level it is filled with apana, and on the energy level it is filled with negative energies that are clouding you. Do you notice that when you get up in the morning, you get too much of negative thoughts or stagnant thoughts or lifeless thoughts, hopeless thoughts? If this is the case, then you can do the techniques that I am teaching in this video. But if you want your energy to work on you through professional guidance, through expert guidance, then you can connect to my team and book your 20 minutes energy learning, the techniques for learning energy management of Kundalini. Alright, so let's move ahead with the technique. First of all, you need to know from which nostril your breath is coming more, and everything is connected. The breath is on the physical level, your prana moves on the subtle level, on the pranic level, and your energy moves on the energy level. This means that all three are one and the same energy in different frequencies. So when you are breathing, you need to put your hands like this. You can cover your nose like this, and now you breathe from both the nostrils and check on which hand the air is coming more. For example, the moment I started doing this, burp came. This means that whenever you do any kind of conscious breathing technique, your prana starts getting balanced, and in my case it started balancing, and that is why the burp came. So the moment you become conscious of anything connected to your life force, breath, you will see that certain changes are happening with the pranic movement in your body. So let's start. I will do this for you and you can also check, and I will explain to you how it works. This technique, you have to exhale from both the nose, means you are taking your normal inhalation and exhalation, and check from which nostril the breath is coming more. In my case, both the nostrils are having the same level of exhalation, that is 50-50%. But the intelligence behind it is, if you are getting that your left nostril is releasing more air, then this means that your parasympathetic breathing is more active and you are calmer in mind, and your sympathetic breathing is not much activated. This means you are not active in life. Similarly, if your sympathetic breathing is more, this means that your right nostril is releasing more air. You may feel excited, you may feel more energy in your body, but at the same time, if it is more percentage, this means that your left is completely closed, then there is a possibility that you are getting anxiety, you are getting restlessness, and you have headaches and migraines and many other problems connected to energy. So this is energy science. I cannot teach you everything here because you will get confused and you will not get the results. This was just a demonstrative purpose to make you explain that your breath is the vehicle of Kundalini in the very first place, and your prana is the mover of Kundalini, and Kundalini is the life force herself. If you feel that you need to learn energy science and the art of breathing for Kundalini progress, then this is the way I teach my students through experiential energy shift. If you do the techniques, you get the results. It is that straightforward and direct. So for more techniques on conscious breathing, I will be teaching you through different demonstrations. But if you need your personal teachings, then you have to book your sessions, and go ahead, book the session, learn the techniques, implement it, and move your Kundalini and life force. Thank you and bye-bye.